Hello dear friends, this is Satyam and I hope you all are well, fit and fine. So friends, in this video we are going to learn some important, very most important phrases. Okay, these are important phrases that you use in your daily life. Okay, so it is very relatively to your life. Okay, so it is important to know it, and it is very most important to implement, to use these phrases in your sentence, in your speech. Okay friends, so let's start these important phrases that I'm going to teach you. Okay friends, so let's start. So friends so friends the first phrase, okay, so friends, the first phrase that I'm going to talk about is feel like. is feel like feel like. Friends, feel like. So first of all, where you use feel like? Okay, so feel like is used to represent, okay, when someone is not interested, when someone is not interested to do something, okay, at a particular time, at a particular time. Okay, when someone is not interested to do something at a particular time, so it is used for feel like. Okay, feel like means where it is used, okay, it is used, it is used, okay, to, it is used to express, it is used to express when someone is not interested, okay, when someone is not interested to do something, to do something, okay, at the particular, at the particular time, at the specific, या आप कह सकते हो, okay, so it means at the specific time, at the specific time. Okay, so it is used to, okay, so feel like it represents that, feel like it represents that. Okay, so it is used to express when someone is not interested to do something at that specific time, at that specific time. Okay, so this is used to express that, feel like. Okay, and now see the structures of it, now see the structure of it. Okay, so first we use subject. Okay, we are talking to about normal sentences, means we are going to talk about positive sentences. Okay, so subject, and we use feel like, and we use feel like. Okay, and then we use the continuous form of verb, the continuous form of verb. Okay, and this is the continuous form of verb, this is called gerund, this is called gerund, this is called gerund. Okay, so this is the structure of basic, means normal sentences, affirmative any or positive sentences. Okay, we use subject and feel like. Okay, feel like, we use feel like according to tense. Okay, according to tense, according to tense. Okay, so we use subject, then we use feel like, and it is used according to subject, and then we use gerund, means continuous form of verb, and this is the sentence. Okay, this is the sentence. Okay, as let's see the examples. Okay, so first example, I don't, okay, I don't feel like, I don't feel like doing anything, doing anything. Okay, so if you see, I do not feel like doing anything. Okay, next sentence, next example I am going to see. Okay, summer, okay, summer felt like, okay, summer felt like, okay, playing playing cricket, playing cricket. Okay, so summer felt like playing cricket. Next one is he. Okay, he feels. Okay, he feels like. Okay, you can say he felt like talking to me. He felt like talking to me. Okay, so this is the expressions feel like. Okay, felt like. Okay, felt like. So this expression is used to express one's state of mind at that particular time. You can also use to express okay, one's state of mind, okay, at particular time, at particular time. Okay, so this is the important thing that I taught you today. Okay, so feel like when you are not interested to do something, okay, at that particular time, so we use feel like. Okay, and the structure is basic sentences, we use subject first and we use feel like, and this, okay, and this is used according to tense, right? And then we use gerund. Okay, means continuous form of verb that denotes gerund. Okay, as I see the examples, I don't feel like doing anything. Okay, Summer felt like playing cricket. Okay, he felt like talking to me. Okay, so I think you have learned, okay, this expression, this important phrase. Okay, now we are going to the next. Okay, so let's start the second. Okay, so wait. So friends, this is the important phrase. Okay, and now we are going to learn second phrase, okay, that is used in our daily life. Okay, so, and I hope you have learned the first phrase that I have discussed. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the second phrase. Okay, the second phrase, and the second phrase is would like. The second phrase is would like. Okay, would like, and the third one, okay, I will discuss together because they are very relative. Okay, they are connected each other. Okay, so, and we are talking about would love. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about would like, and the secondly we will discuss about would love. Okay, so friends, first of all you have to focus on this second idiom, second phrase, that is would like. Friends, first of all you have to know, okay, that why we use would like. Okay, we use would like. Okay, we use would like to express normal wish or desire in a polite way, or manner, Okay, means we use would like. Okay, we use would like to express, to denote normal wish, okay, or desire in a polite manner, in a polite way. Okay, when you want to express your wish, your normal wish, okay, in a polite way, so we use would like. Okay, now see the, okay, now let us see its structure. Okay, its common structure that we use. Okay, so its structure is that firstly we use subject. Okay, and then we use would like. Okay, subject, then we would like. Okay, then we use, okay, this is the would like, okay, then we use to, okay, then we use the first form of verb, okay, then we use the first form of verb, and things, if the things is in sentence will be explained more. So this is the normal sentence, so this is the normal sentence of this, ठीक है. So this is the important point that you have to focus on, right? Let's see the examples of it, okay. Firstly we will discuss it, and then again we will discuss the examples of both together, okay. So firstly we will discuss that. So if you see would love is used to denote strong wish, to denote strong wish or desire, okay. It is used to express strong wish or desire. It is used to express strong wish or desire, okay. And the phrase it is used to express strong wish or desire, right? Now see its expression, how we use it, okay. So let's say it's a structure simply. So we use subject, okay, then we use would love, okay, then we use to, then we use the first form of verb, okay, and then we explained the sentence more, and we explain the sentence more, okay, and we explain the sentence more. So this is the basic structures of, okay, would like and would love, okay, would like and would love, okay. So firstly now we will discuss, okay, its examples, both example, okay. Firstly I would, okay, I would like to talk to you, I would like to talk to you, okay. So you have normal wish to talk to you, okay. He would like, okay, he would like to see you, okay. Both example, if we have strong desire, okay, if someone has a strong desire to meet someone, okay, so we can say he would love, okay, he would love to meet his favorite actor, okay. So this is the strong wish, okay. Would love is represents strong wish, okay, strong wish or desire, and it represents normal wish, okay, normal wish or desire in a polite way, okay. So normal wish or desire in a polite way. So this is the simply correct sentences that I have written right now, okay. Now see the more next examples, okay. I would love to meet, okay, I would love to meet, we can change something, I would like to meet the manager, so it's a normal desire, okay, to meet the manager, okay. Next example, let us see, okay. Sanjay okay would like to have, okay, a cup of coffee, ठीक है. Sanjay would like to have a cup of coffee. So in this sentence would like represents what? It represents normal desire or wish. It represents normal desire or wish in a sentence, okay friends. Okay dear, so I hope you have learned all three phrases that I discussed today in this video, okay dear friends. Now I am going to summarize it, okay. First phrase that I discussed is would feel like. Feel like it represents for what it is used to express one's state of mind in a particular time, or someone is not interested to do something in a particular at a particular time. Okay, so we use feel like. And be use gerund means we use continuous form of verb after gerund. Okay, second one we have discussed about would like and would love. Okay, this is the would like and would love, this is the second and third. Okay, would like is represents normal wish or desire. Okay, be used to express one's wish or desire in a polite way or manner. Okay, would love is used to express strong wish or desire. Okay, so and we use the first form of verb. Okay, to plus the first form of verb after would like and would love. Okay, and we have seen these examples. Okay, so by these examples this concept became more stronger. Okay, so I hope friends you have loved this video. So we will meet in the next video. Okay, so keep on studying, keep on doing something. Okay, keep yourself make busy and do good in your life. Okay friends, so we will meet in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.